Hi everyone, I have a new product from SoundBot today. This is called the SB510. Let's get right into it and do an unboxing.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the SB510. It is a shower speaker equipped with Bluetooth and hands-free calling. Let's get right into it. I only have the device since it's straight from the factory. This is the power button, up volume, next track, hands-free calling, decrease volume, previous track, pause play button. And on the side right here, DCN is the power port. Go ahead and push the power button for about 3 to 4 seconds. After you pushed it, it'll flash blue and red, signifying it is ready to pair with any mobile device. Let's just take a look at our phone right here. It is at the bottom, SB510, and it should connect any second. There we go. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Functions, go ahead and use the power button to turn it on. Previous track, next track, pause, play. To increase or decrease volume, be sure to hold the button down, or else it won't work. As for charging, it took me about an hour and a half for a full, complete charge. And this will give you an entire day's playback. Go ahead and plug it into any wall or outlet, and then you're good to go. Next up is the hands-free calling. To answer any call, go ahead and press the phone button, and there you go. You have the call answered. Not to mention that the SB510 is waterproof, so the perfect place to listen to music would be in the shower. Go ahead and push it against any wall. It'll stick right to it. You can then enjoy music while you're in the shower or outside. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been the review of the SB510. Be sure to visit SoundBot at www.soundbot.com. And by the way, this particular model comes in many, many colors, and in my opinion, can suit every folk from different strokes. Thank you guys so much for watching the review of the SB510, and I'll see you guys next time.